Welcome back to Hello Quest.
Since so many of you guys like the Smashing Stress video, we decided to continue the video pretty much, but with our 6-ton press. Since we said we would have this beautiful woman right here do a Rubik's Cube and then smash it, that's what we're doing.
It's happening.
Less, more.
Also, if you go to teespring.com/hello-quest, you can order some of our merch. It doesn't look exactly like this, but it's very similar. And so you can get your own t-shirt. We've got socks, there's sweatshirts and tote bags, all sorts of stuff. Pretty much everything Teespring offers, we put our logo on. So go check it out.
Yes, please do.
Link in the description.
So, let's see you solve this Rubik's Cube.
Oh, right now?
Right now.
Oh, okay. Well, it might not be a minute and a half because I'm a little rusty. So I'm not going to win any speed competitions, so please don't expect me to. We should probably run this in fast motion.
Possibly, but this is mostly for George. You didn't believe that she could solve a Rubik's Cube. So here's some proof.
But this is so much stress right now.
Okay, ignore that the camera's there. We won't even watch it.
Okay. Done.
Oh. Now let's put it in the 6-ton press.
Okay, go ahead. Oh! Yeah, you keep going.
Look at this. This is like the innards of a Rubik's Cube. That's how you turn it. But now it's destroyed, so it's a little gnome family.
Alright.
Yeah, simple, easy.
It's not gonna. Did you break it? That's alright.
Shove the child on the ground. It's cracking.
Oh no. Oh gosh.
This is
Keep going. Oh! That's why we're wearing eye protection.
Oh no, they lost their father.
Alright,
Oh.
golf ball. Got your eyeglasses on, Ridglea? Your eye protection? Okay, good. No? Keep going. Oh my goodness. It's not popping. Will it not go any further? How funny.
That's hilarious.
That's not what I expected to happen. No, that's it.
Are you kidding?
What if it just...
What was that?
It punched through. It actually punched through inside. Look, it's stuck on the end. Get the mallet. gotta knock it off. I can't.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Smell it.
Can you do it from the back?
What's inside of that?
Oh.
Eee.
Well.
Turns out there's green stuff inside of golf balls.
Wow. How funny.
I did not expect it.
Yeah.
Stuff is coming out the side.
Yeah, it's vomiting.
It's vomiting.
I think that might be it.
Blech.
How funny. Yeah. Stop it, Ridglea. Oh gosh.
That is so weird. It's like made out of this green hard stuff. Yeah, it's green.
Oh gosh, it's hard plastic. So the whole reason I have this press is to make rings out of coins. This is, I think, a Syrian coin I got from a friend. And then this is a quarter. You can see it says right there, $quarter. And I used the press to poke a hole in the quarter, and then I hammered it down on a ring mandrel to flip it to where the side is now facing this way. So that's the reason, if you're wondering, why I have a 6-ton press in my house.
This next product we are going to smash
It is.
Oh yeah, it is on.
is utterly horrible. Utterly. Oh, it's not even fitting. Oh, wait. Hold on.
We can. Oh, really? I was gonna say.
Look at that.
Okay.
I fitted it.
Okay. Yeah, this is gonna make. Okay.
Is that it?
It just fell apart. Smush.
Aw.
It's so anticlimactic.
It really is. That's really funny. It's like dink.
Dink.
Oh well. Well, now we know.
Well,
You should definitely smash those with a mallet in slow-mo. Like just right now. Warning, do not try this at home.
This phone still has battery inside.
Yeah.
We do.
It might catch fire. I don't know. Okay, here we go.
We have fire extinguisher on standby.
Here as low as we'll go.
Really?
Whoa. There it is. Ah! Yep. Whoa. As low as we'll go. Wow. Surprisingly.
Goodbye, iPhone.
Good. Is that getting hot?
The battery didn't even get punctured.
Oh, really?
Lives right here. There's the battery.
Oh, wow. The battery stayed?
Yep.
Impressive. Well, that's good.
Yeah. No, no, the battery's definitely bent. Just not broken. Maybe we should just stab it. Explode! Well, it's not exploding, but I definitely smelled something.
So was that successful quest?
Yeah, successful quest.
I don't know if that was successful or not because
Well,
nothing did what we thought it was going to.
Semi-successful quest.
It was very, very odd. I mean, I expected the golf ball to explode.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
And I expected the battery to explode as well.
I expected the battery to ignite. It could be because it wasn't charged up all the way.
True, true.
Maybe we should have tried charging it up first. Too late now.
Yep. Well, you know what? It was successful in the sense that you did the Rubik's Cube and we destroyed it just like we promised.
So
Yep.
one of the things actually worked well.
Perfect. Well,
Perfect.
thank you for coming along with us. And you know that we will see you next time.
Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing, and visiting our merch shop.
Bye.